This here is an example of a matrix. You have x, y, and z equal to something. The x will be a 1, the y will be a -1, and the z a 1. So the x, y, and z are 1s, and if there's a negative in front of that, you take that. Or they could be a different number too. Like in this one we have 2x. If there is no number, like say one of them is missing, trying to find one that's, here we go. This one is missing a y. So for when you're plugging it in, it will be a 0. So I'm going to show you how to plug in one of these. Let's try this one. The answer I came up with is 2, 7, and 9. These were the other, oops, kind of blurry there, other possible choices. But I got 2, 7, 9, and I'm going to show you how to plug that in. So here is the TI-83. And there we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the calculator first, and then we're going to go to matrix, which is this button right here. I'm sorry, we're going to first put second matrix, and it will bring up this screen, and then you're going to go to edit, and you can change this. It could be a 3x4, which is usually what it is, but it can be other ones too, and you just change it. As you see, it's a 3x4. The 4 is down here. So we're going to plug in the numbers. We have x1, enter, and then we have a -1 for the y, enter, 1, enter, 2, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter, -2, 1, 1, -1, and -4, enter. So then what we're going to do is we're going to say second, quit, and it will be a blank screen, and then we'll go to second matrix. We're going to go over with the arrows to math, and we're going to go down till we see RREF. Make sure you don't get it confused with the REF. We'll press enter. Then we're going to do second matrix again. And there's our different ones. I actually have one for B there, but we're going to pick the A because that's the one that we just did, and we're just going to push enter. And it will be like that, RREF with your A. You can close the parentheses if you want, but you don't have to. And then push enter. And there it gives you your numbers, -1, -2, 1. So we did number 16, and that's the answer that we got, -1, -2, 1. Now for this one up here we had the 279, so let's enter that one too. We'll clear this and we'll go to second matrix. We'll go over to the edit and again pick the 3x4, but then we're just going to plug in the different numbers, which will be 1. There's no y, so it's going to be a 0, a -1 for the z, and a -7. And the second row is 3, -1, and there's no z, so we're going to put a 0 there. Then we'll put a -1, 1, 1, 1, and 18. And then again we'll do the second quit. Then we'll do second matrix. Sorry, it's a little blurry. Math, go back down to the RREF, enter. Then we'll go second matrix, and again we'll pick that A, or whichever one you choose to do. In this case it was the A. And then enter, and it gives us our 279 there. And that's what we got here. So that's a little bit on the matrix.